Okay, we are on week 3 Wednesday. We're going to describe what happens when you multiply two negative numbers together. When I multiply a negative times a negative, the result is always positive. Because I know that anytime the sign's the same with multiplication and division, the answer will be positive. Okay, so negative times negative equals a positive. A different way I can write it. A family of 3 shares 675 cell phone minutes. If they divide them equally, how many does each person get? So I have 675. So I have to say to myself, what am I splitting up? I'm splitting up 675, and I'm splitting it 3 ways. So I'm going to take 675, divide that by 3. 675 is going to fall off the top to put inside the house. 3 goes into 6 twice. Give me a value of 6. Drop down my 7. 3 goes into 7 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring me 1. Bring down my 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times perfectly. Gives me a value of 225 minutes. Please get in the habit of putting your unit there. I apologize that this is not more clear, but I think that you will understand enough. Okay, the next one is write the following numeric equation as a multiplication problem and solve. So I have -8, and I have that -8 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I'm going to multiply that by 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Go back and look at my signs. I have a negative and a positive. A negative and a positive when I multiply equals a negative. So my answer is -40. So I need to show both parts of this, not just solve here. What number times 8 is equal to -32? I'm going to go ahead and set this up. And again, gosh, this looks very blurry, so I apologize about that. I'm going to set this actually up like a one-step equation. I'm going to do 8n because that means multiplication equals -32. I'm going to divide 8 on this side to isolate the n by itself, and then I'm going to divide this side also by 8. N is going to be equal to -32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4, and it's going to be equal to 4, but I have to remember I have a negative and a positive, so my answer is going to be negative.